Hey everybody, it's Thomas with Get Out Arizona, and you are watching another great episode of Garage Talk. So let's get on it. Now today, we are going to be talking about the F-Stop Gear small drone case that came out back in December. And if you guys realize, I did a quick unboxing and told you guys I'd be giving you the full review in several weeks. Well, several weeks has passed and it's time for the full review. Now, full disclosure, F-Stop Gear did not send me this bag. I paid for it with my own money. They don't have any say in this video. They don't sponsor me in any way, shape, or form, but I did want to give you guys my honest opinion, as always, on the gear that I use and make recommendations to you so you know what to buy or consider buying, if that makes sense. Now, there's going to be a link down below for this bag as well. That is not an affiliate link, okay? If you click it and you buy one of these drone bags, I get nothing, all right, except for the satisfaction knowing that I recommended a good product to you. So, on that note, let's move forward with this. So, I love this. I have the Mavic Mini 3 Pro with a total of 4 batteries and the RC controller, not the upgraded one, but the one that came with the kit. And as we open this up, and first I want to illustrate too, this has got just premium quality on the build materials. It's got ripstop for the cloth, it's padded, it has YK zippers, it has this great weather resistant zipper itself, super durable. Multiple times to Sedona, multiple times out into the regional parks. It's seen snow, it's seen rain, everything, including sunny weather here in Arizona, though it wasn't summertime because in the summertime we try to stay out of the sun. Some of us do. Anyway, so yeah, so as we unzip this, these zippers move brilliantly, super smooth. We open it up and now you can see exactly what I have stored in here. Now some of you might be wondering, Thomas, you know, you got your batteries loose and everything, and they make a bigger one, and you get, yeah, I know. But for me, this works. This creates a small enough package where I can carry my Skydio drone, this drone, all my camera gear in either my 80-liter F-Stop Gear bag, which is the Shin, I believe, and then my 50-liter F-Stop bag, and I can't remember the name of that, but I'll put it up somewhere here, which is nice. Everything fits. The bag that DJI includes will get you by, but if you want something that's going to be compact, hold everything that you need, the important stuff, okay? We're talking day trips here, the important stuff. This is the bag, in my opinion. Now, as you can see, I have my drone, all right? Now, I face the drone this way, already has a battery in it. I have this battery right here. I have my controller, all right? The nice thing too, I don't have to take off my sticks. I love that. Pull the controller out, I turn it on, I'm ready to rock and roll. And then I have my other 2 batteries here, number 1 and number 2. I have my adapter and props and extra parts in here in case I need anything, in case I break anything out on the trail. I have it all, and again, it fits. The Velcro, the microfiber that they're using on the interior lining of this is top notch. I like it. It took me a couple configurations to figure out exactly how I wanted to do it and how it was gonna work. But again, everything fits neatly. It's not squished in there like some bags. You've got to really wrench on those zippers to get them closed. No, it's not. Now, in the rain and the snow, this did a great job when I had it setting out as I was flying and trying to bring the drone back home and everything like that. It repelled the water just fine, and I want to stress, this is weather resistant, not weather proof. It would behoove you to grab a can of tent spray, like I always do from REI, and go ahead and hose down any backpack gear, anything, to add another layer of protection. Okay, it just makes common sense. If you're gonna be out in it, you might as well do it. So, otherwise, this performed well. Now, I don't use the card slot for anything, okay, but it is cool. They have a card slot, as you can see, and you can see from the overhead shot. You know, it's great. Now, I want to say this bag is $109. Now, if I'm incorrect, there'll be a little something on one of these signs here that'll say the actual price. And for me, it's 100% worth it. You get a case that holds everything you need and nothing you don't, that is weather resistant, very weather resistant, I might add. It's going to protect your gear and allow you to pack it in a very, what's the word I'm looking for, logical and resourceful way with other gear, all right? It's not a wonky rectangle, funky design that's just going to be awkward when you're trying to place it in. So that's it, guys. That's really it. There should really be nothing more. If you guys want to see some of the adventures that this was used on, there's going to be a link up here somewhere for the on-trail segment. And I would say from whenever the date was, and I'll put the date here somewhere that I purchased this forward, every one of those trail adventures, this bag went on with me. And every one of those trail adventures, this bag did an amazing job protecting my gear. I can't say that enough. Tough as a coffin nail, or can we say tough as the coffin the nail goes in? You decide. So on that note, like, subscribe, bell notification icon, my friends. It's the trifecta, helps out the video, helps out the channel. There's going to be links down below. One of them is going to be to the F-Stop Gear small drone bag. I'll put a link for the large one down there too, in case you have like a DJI Air 2S or maybe even the DJI 3 Cinema or something like that. There'll be a link for that down below as well. Other links are social media, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, the devil's work. It's necessary though to get the word out for Get Out Arizona, okay? Group hikes, rides, a lot of fun, good times. We do a lot of cool stuff as a community because that's what we should be, right? Community, yeah? Other links, gonna be Amazon affiliate links. Follow a link, make a purchase. You won't be charged anymore, but you will receive, or I will receive, commission that's going to help out with coffee, park passes, gas money. It's the other trifecta that we love so much here at Get Out Arizona. So on that note, my friends, what do we always say? Be kind to yourself and others. Be amazing stewards out on that trail, seriously. And we have to ask, what are you waiting for? Get Out Arizona. We'll see you on that next adventure, my friends. Take care, everybody.